How to hide online status on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to hide your online status on Zangi application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in into your account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you get logged in, you will be provided with multiple options over here. Just click on privacy. Now look at the top of your screen where you can see the option for show my online status. Turn it off. As soon as you turn it off, your online status will be hidden. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna hide online status on Zangi application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.